Oh, okay. Okay, let's. Kenna, Marie.
Kenna.
How old are you, Kenna? What's the name of your mama? How about your daddy? What's the name of your daddy? Daddy Bong. How about your brother? Kuya Toby, okay. Have a game, okay? How well do you know your daddy? Okay? Sige. How old is your daddy? Oh, Dada looks so young, no? Okay. Oh, what is the favorite food of your daddy?
Salad.
Salad. Very good. How about his favorite color?
Mango.
Color.
Pink.
Pink? Blue. Oh, ikaw, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. Your favorite color is pink. Okay. How about... Ano sports ni Dada? What is his sports? Ano nilalaro ni Dada?
Blue card.
Ruby ka. Okay. Is that your favorite toy?
Yeah, blue card.
Oh, is that a gift from Dada?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, can you say I love you, Dada? Happy Father's Day. Love you. Bye.